In this video, I'll be showing how to replace the LCD display on a 2013 to 2019 Ford Escape instrument cluster. If your screen is blank or pixelated, this will fix it. I've got the cluster powered on here, and as you can see, the display is just blank. First, we need to remove the 4 bolts on the back of the cluster. Next, pry open these 2 plastic clips and remove the back cover. Now lift this plastic tab to release the LCD ribbon and pull it out. There are 2 clips holding the lens in place. Pop this open and take it off. Same process here like last time. Disconnect the ribbon from the old display and connect it to the new one. Now put the new display back onto the cluster. Slide the ribbon back into the connector and lock it in place. And that's how you fix a failing display on a Ford Escape. If you'd rather have it professionally repaired, we do offer a mail-in repair service with a 24-hour turnaround and a lifetime warranty. Or if you want to do it yourself, we sell the LCD displays. I'll leave the link in the description, and thanks for watching.